that remains the foundation of our nations in this day, namely the Second Youth Congress, or we know it, Congress Pemuda Kedua, which was proposed by the PPI, or Indonesian Students Association. In Indonesian, we know it as Perhimpunan Pelajar-Pelajar Indonesia. Led by Subondo Joyo Puspito, they held meetings in various places while avoiding the BINDE, or the Dutch political secret police, like the Gestapo or the Nazi police secret police in World War